Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we got a lot of breaking news and big stories to talk about in the crypto space. Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong is due to meet with lawmakers in Washington, D.C. tomorrow, which is going to be big because he is trying to help guide the crypto regulation for the future as people are looking for the government to come in and really give a true opinion. On top of that, guys, there has been some speculation with the Ripple lawsuit. Let's see what Gary Gensler's comments are on this case, whether he feels good or bad about it. We'll talk about that in this video. And then a little game of politics going on with the SEC against Elon Musk's Twitter and people calling out Gary Gensler as well, congressmen, senators, and saying, hey, you got to cut it out and halt the attacks on the crypto industry. So it is good to see Brian Armstrong going in and discussing that with lawmakers as people are starting to push back and forth on this issue when it comes to regulation and crypto. Guys, let's hop into the content. If you like the video, smash up a like, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every day for you guys, and we're doing many giveaways for the loyal members and subscribers on the channel, so make sure you check it out. Now, today, guys, we are just up slightly on the overall market cap, but Bitcoin is down a little bit. Bitcoin dominance climbing down, Ethereum climbing down, and there is a big reason for the markets having a little bit of cool off today. You can see the price of Bitcoin trying to get down to 29,200. I think we'll get a bounce off that level for Bitcoin. We'll have to see how that plays out, but as for the overall market cap, similar price movement down to maybe $1.07 trillion is the lowest I think we go here in the month of July. But let's see how it plays out, not financial advice. The reason for the sell-offs right now when we're expecting a bullish July is Celsius. Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky actually recently just got arrested because he was defrauding his customers. Similar to FTX, a very irresponsible crypto company. Celsius went down, and now they are starting to give back at least 63 million out of 160 million that they owe investors, and they're sending it to a crypto exchange, and users are waiting to be repaid Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these guys are allegedly sending this to the exchange to sell it off to then repay the users. And that means that $63 million worth of crypto are up for sale today, potentially from Celsius. So this caused fear in the markets, which is why we see a slight downward movement. Now, the truth is, guys, is that the Celsiuses and FTXs of the world need to go away, and crypto regulation is important. Now, you probably heard about the SEC case against Ripple, and recently you probably heard that XRP is officially not declared a security, but the court case is not over. Now, Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, came out and said that he's both pleased and disappointed by the crypto ruling. A quote from him is, there's ongoing litigation with a number of these crypto platforms, and these platforms are commingling a number of services that you've seen on these platforms where they could be trading against their customers, bundling up a bunch of services that we would not allow in any other parts of our capital markets. So he still has a lot of negative things to say. This scaredy cat, Gary Gensler, allegedly trying to protect you. Well, people are questioning, is he really trying to protect us, or is he just trying to gain control over this new asset class to wear the big pants in the industry? Well, I think that it is likely the latter, and Coinbase CEO does agree, which is why it is so important for this court case to happen come to an end and get a real judgment on the Ripple case and just get that totally out of the way, and then see what happens with the Coinbase and Binance case. But right now, Coinbase and Binance are waiting to go to battle in court with the SEC, with the XRP news guys. It's looking like they're in a position to win. And right now, U.S. House Democrats are actually meeting with the Coinbase CEO, which is good to see because they're going to start talking about how to formulate crypto regulation that works for the future so that we're not just putting a chokehold on this industry. A lot of people say, Operation Choke Point 2.0. The U.S. government's trying to crush crypto and push it out of the country. That makes zero sense for them to do. So it's very good to see Brian Armstrong meeting with politicians and making this happen. Because it is true, guys. There is a court case. These two largest crypto exchanges in the world are grappling with lawsuits brought by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for allegedly failing to register their operations with the agency. And Gary Gensler believes because they're commingling funds and because they're breaking the law and they're trading against their users, none of which is proven in the court of law. So let's see some crypto regulation come into the picture. Let's see how transparent these crypto exchanges will be as this regulation comes out. And let's look to the future, because right now, guys, things are bullish. Bitcoin has been going up. We are looking at Bitcoin spot ETFs coming into the forefront. Fidelity, BlackRock, and many other large entities are anticipating a very big bull run and a big future for crypto, potentially transcending international currencies of the world and being better than gold. That comes from the words of BlackRock CEO himself. Guys, that's all I got for you today. We do have a live stream coming up later today. We'll talk about crypto.com and some of these other stories going on in the market that I didn't cover in this one. If you like the content, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course, guys, as always, you gotta remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. That's all I got for you. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. We will see you next time. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.